Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Auri nutrition. You should buy their gummies or not. Does their gummies really work? And how much time it will take to give you results? And if we talk about what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on their website, otherwise you are going to regret. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is approx like 3 years from now, and they are available on Instagram with huge family, and they are also available on Facebook with huge family. Okay, so in the terms of presence, the brand is 100% legit because they are also available on amazon.com. And we talk about like their product, basically they have different kinds of product. Let's take an example, the focus gummies, super mushroom focus gummies. Okay, so first of all, as you know, the benefits of focus gummies are really good. Like it will support mental clarity and promote your energy and support your cognitive function, and it will also encourage your daily focus, day-to-day life, you can like tasks. So there are lots of benefits of focus gummies, but if you are going to use this gummies only for 1 month or 2 months, it will not give you lots of results. You have to use these kind of gummies at least for 3 to 6 months consistently for better results. Okay, so we are not claiming this thing, the brand is claiming. So it means you have to invest your money for at least for 3 to 4 months. And we talk about like the pricing is on an average, we can say yes, anyone can afford. But if we talk about like the problem, so basically when you purchase this product on their website, they have a subscription model, and you can see when you visit on their profile on Trustpilot, you will see they have lots of negative reviews, and lots of negative reviews is complaining like subscription model, because when you purchase product by mistake, or as you know, lots of people are not so technically so related to technical background, so you will see when you place your order, they have a subscription model. Okay, so you can choose only for one time purchase. Okay, if you choose only for one time purchase, then they will not activate subscription on your account. If you choose subscribe and save option, then they will activate subscription on your account. Okay, so this is the thing you need to keep in your mind. Please don't try to purchase this product on related to subscribe and save. So if you active subscription on your account, then you have to pay lots of fees. Okay, in the form of subscription. So this is the only problem, there is no other problem. Rest each and everything is good. The brand is 100% legit, there is no problem. And if we talk about like results, as I already told you, you have to use this kind of product for at least 2 or 3 months, and the result, there is no guarantee results related to results is also depends on person to person. So these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.